Our next up is the instrument cable. This is a 1/4 inch cable, a lot like the cable you just saw. This is one of our main connections for instruments, and it is known as the tip sleeve. So instead of having a hot, a cold, and a ground, it only has a hot and a ground. And the reason behind that is because this is not made for pro level connections from device to device. This is actually made for instrument connections from an instrument, typically to an amp, or maybe from an instrument directly into an interface or a DI box or something like that. Oftentimes, the reason this doesn't necessarily require that positive negative is because it's not very typical that it induces noise, and it has a lot of other components on the other end of the device that are made to kind of reduce the noise in general. So these are fairly quiet lines until you start running them extra long, but this is the instrument cable, and it again is a tip sleeve.